Hey everyone, and welcome to another quick Canva tutorial. And in this video, I will show you the simplest way to create professional looking gradient backgrounds. This will be done by using a tool called Gradient Generator. And it is incredibly easy to create stunning gradient backgrounds using this free Canva plugin. So, open Canva and create a new design. Choose any dimension you want. Once you have your canvas open, go to the left sidebar and select Apps option. Here, go to the search bar and type Gradient Generator. Find this plugin, click on it and activate it by clicking on the Open button. Now, you can see the simple plugin interface with a preview of your gradient, a color palette, lock color palette option, noise level slider, randomize button, and an Add to Design button. So, let me discuss all these options in more detail. Let's start with the color palette. There are 5 different colors you can use for your gradient background, but you can also narrow it down to 2 colors by repeating the same color codes. When you activate the Lock Color Palette feature, you might simply lock the colors, and then you can use the Randomize button to get different gradients using the same colors you have selected. This can be handy because with this tool, you cannot choose the direction of the gradient, so you need to repeatedly click on the Randomize button to get what you need. What I like about this plugin is that it allows you to add noise to the gradient background in seconds. This can be done by adjusting the noise level slider until you achieve the desired noise effect. Once you are satisfied with the background, simply click on the Add to Design button. As you can see, the gradient will not fill the entire canvas, so right-click on it and select the Replace Background option. This way, the gradient becomes the background of the designs. However, you can position and move the gradient in the desired direction by right-clicking the background, selecting the Detach Image from Background option, repositioning the gradient, and then selecting the Replace Background option again. As you can see, this Gradient Generator plugin is easy to use and can make you really interesting gradient backgrounds. So, I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, please use the comment section and I will do my best to reply.